We are going to conduct test on fundamentals of computer. This is online test. This test have the 20 questions and each question have 2 marks. So the first question of this test is, there are two types of memory. In that it have the 4 options. First option is main memory. Second option is RAM and ROM. Third option is random access memory, and last option is main memory and secondary memory. So the right answer of this question is main memory and secondary memory. So computer is having the two types of memory. So the definition of memory is, it is a storage device in which you can store the data or information for the future use. Again, this memory is divided into two sections. The first section of the memory is called as a main memory or primary memory, and second section of the memory is called as a secondary memory. So the right answer is main memory and secondary memory. So then after that, the next question is 1024 bytes equal to 1 GB, 1 KB, 1 TB, 1024 GB. 1 GB means 1 gigabyte. So 1 KB means it's 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. The right answer is 1 kilobyte. The next question is, Windows is called. Option first is multi-user multitasking operating system, malware software, single user single tasking operating system or system software. The right answer is first option. It's a multi-user multitasking operating system. Windows is called as a multi-user multitasking operating system. DOS is also called as an operating system, but DOS is called as a single user single tasking operating system. So that's why the correct answer is, it's a multi-user multitasking operating system. The next question is, abbreviation of CPU is. The long form of the CPU is control processing unit, central processing unit, control purpose unit, and central purpose unit. The correct answer is central processing unit. The next question is, Windows is called. So it has one more question related to this Windows. Windows is called, it's an application software, malware software, single user single tasking operating system, or operating system or system software. So the right option is fourth option. Windows is called as an operating system, or it's called as a system software. Another name of the Windows is called as a system software, or Windows is called as an operating system. That's why the right answer is fourth option, operating system or system software. The next question is long form of FAT. First option is first added transfer protocol. Second is file allocation table. Third is first allocation table. Fourth is first allocation test. The right answer is file allocation table. File allocation table means once you save the information or once you store the information, that information is stored in the one particular area of that memory. So that area is called as a file allocation table. Next question is, computer is an dash device. Computer is an dash device. The options are electrical device, mechanical device, electronic device, all of the above. The correct answer is electronic device. Why we are calling computer is an electronic device? Because this device consists of electronic components, hence this device is called as an electronic device. Example, ICs, resistors, capacitors, so these are the electronic components. Hence this device is called as an electronic device. The next question is, computer understand only. Computer understand only. So computer understand ABCD, 1 2 3, English language, and zeros and ones. The correct option is zeros and ones. So computer can't understand any human being languages like this: Kannada, English, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, like this. So ABCD is the user understandable language. 1 2 3 is also same. English language is also same, but computer understand only zeros and ones. And one more name of this one is called as a binary language. That binary language is in the form of zeros and ones. Hence the right answer is zeros and ones. The next question is, the smallest unit of data that a computer can process and store. The smallest unit of data that a computer can process and store. The smallest unit of the computer memory. So the options are bytes, megabyte, bits, gigabyte. The right answer is bits. This is the lowest format of the memory, bits. 8 bit equal to 1 byte. The correct answer is bits. Next question is, computer have dash generations. So computer is having how many generations? Our options are 4 generation, 6 generation, 5 generation, and 12 generation. Computer is having the 5 generations. Father of computer: David Boucher, Isaac Newton, Charles Babbage, and Charles Darwin. The right answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Keyboard is an example of dash device. Keyboard is an example of dash device. 4 options are input device, output device, examples of memory, none of the above. So input device, keyboard is called as an input device. This keyboard and mouse is called as a input device. By using this device we can give the instruction or command to the computer. So that's why this is called as a input device. The next question is, HDD means hard disk. Hard disks have dash magnetic plates. Options are 1 magnetic plate, 3 magnetic plates, 10 magnetic plates, n number of magnetic plates. So to store the data, every storage device is having the magnetic plate. Hard disk also having the magnetic plate, but it have the n number of magnetic plates depends upon your memory size. The right answer is n number of magnetic plates. It depends upon your storage capacity. The next question is, computer have dash 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 devices. Computer have dash 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 devices: keyboard, mouse, printer, keyboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, mouse, scanner. And the last option is input device, CPU, and output device. The correct answer is input device, CPU, and output device. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, these are the examples of input and output devices. That's why these are the invalid answers. The correct answer is input device, CPU, and output device. The next one is soft copy of device of a computer: printer, monitor, joystick, pen drive. The soft copy of the device is monitor. So this monitor is called as a soft copy device. So you can modify that information if that information is available in monitor. So that's why this is called as a soft copy device. Next one is the first generation of computer uses ICs, resistors, vacuum tubes and capacitors. The right answer is vacuum tubes. RAM is an example of dash memory. RAM is an example of dash memory. Main memory, temporary memory, secondary memory, option 1 and 2. So the right answer is fourth one. So this RAM is called as a comes under in the main memory, as well as this RAM is called as a temporary memory. ROM is a permanent memory, but RAM is a temporary memory. Hence the fourth option is option 1 and 2. The next question is, translator translates instruction from high level to machine level language, machine level to high level language, English to any other language, and option fourth, option 1 and 2. So the right answer is this time also fourth option. So translator translates high level language to machine level language and from machine level language to high level language. Heart or brain of computer. Heart or brain of computer is called, which device is called as a heart or brain of computer? It's a control unit, memory unit, central processing unit, keyboard and mouse. The right answer is central processing unit. The central processing unit is called as a heart or brain of computer. FDD and HDD is the example of, options are main memory, temporary memory, secondary memory, option 1 and 2. Floppy disk and hard disk is the example of, it's a secondary memory. It's a secondary memory. The third option is the correct answer. So now this completes the 20 answers. So you can check that answer and test your knowledge by appearing this such type of questions. Thank you for being with us. Thank you. So whatever we are attended the questions, so now it shows the answer here. So the first question is, answer is electronic device, it's a right answer. Second question answer is zeros and one, it's a right answer. And third question is fourth input device CPU and output. So this is the output of the just given test. Very shortly we are going to start the coding class for children's as well as college students. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.